Hey everyone, hope you're having an awesome day today, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be installing my cylinder head guard protectors I picked up from Black Dog Cycle Works. So you can see I have them on the bike behind me. I just put them on, and this video is going to be all about the unboxing and the instructions that I followed to install them. So hopefully this video is educational. If you're in the market for some cylinder head guards, definitely check out what Black Dog Cycle Works offers. I did some research. For me, I thought they were a good purchase, and yeah, check them out. Otherwise, enjoy the video. Talk to you soon. Let's now unbox the new cylinder guards that I just received from Black Dog Cycle Works. So let's go unbox it now. All right, I just cut the box open, and so now let's open up this box and let's see what we have inside this. Wow, nice packing job they did. A lot of foam. Look at this. I like seeing that. Good packing material. Opening it up, and what do we have here? It looks like we have some decals. Nice business card, and oh, look at that. Nice. The BDR. Huh. Looks good. Opening this up, and you can see here what we got is the BMW, the 1250 GSA. We have the cylinder guards, and I got that in black, as you can see. So I'll open that up, and we'll take a look at that. Okay, now we threw the box on the side, and you can see here that we have the cylinder guards by Black Dog for the BMW R1250 GSA, and I got these in black. There's the part number in case anyone's interested in that. So you can see here they come in this overgrown Ziploc bag. Looks like we're going to have some installation instructions from a QR code there, and we have some mounting brackets. So let me open this up, and we'll take a closer look. All right, we just took the cylinder guards out of the Ziploc bag that it came in, and let's open these up. Okay, so again, there's two cylinder guards here, also packed very good, so they're not getting scratched up. Again, these are the hardware to do the installation. A bunch of brackets you can see here. So it looks like it's going to go around the crash bars on the GSA. And so if we take one of these out, and let's see what it looks like. Let's do that. Okay, now that we unboxed the Black Dog Cycle Works cylinder guards, pretty much took everything out of the box, and we can see here what's included. So we have a right side cylinder guard. We have the left side cylinder guard here. We have a bunch of brackets. We have some hardware to do the installation. I printed out the instructions based on the QR code there, and it comes with a return policy. All right, so that's what is in the box, and the next thing we are going to do is we're going to install it on my R1250 GSA. So if look behind me here, you can see the bike is all ready for the installation. Again, we're going to install it on the cylinder guards. They're going to go underneath here, and looks like it's a pretty simple installation. So with that said, let's get going. Now, also before we begin the installation, again, I just wanted to point out that what comes in the package are 6 M820 flathead bolts here. Okay, so also we have a tube of Loctite, comes with the kit, and you're going to need a 5mm Allen wrench. Okay, so that's called out in the instructions here. 5mm Allen wrench. So that's what we're going to need for the installation. Again, everything comes with the kit. You need your own Allen wrench, right? So, okay, with that said, let's position the guards, and then we'll tighten them down on the bike and center everything, and then we'll tighten it down. Let's go. Another thing to point out with the Black Dog CycleWork cylinder head guards is that they're different shapes, right? So you'll notice that right off the bat. Basically, it looks like the left side, which my finger's on here, is shorter in length than the right side. Okay, but that's one thing you'll notice. All right, so I just wanted to kind of point that out as well before you start your installation. Okay, so let's start the installation on the left side of the bike. I'm gonna first apply a little Loctite to each one of these, you know, the hardware that came with the bike. So let me do that now. And let's see. All right, I'm gonna have to get scissors and cut that so we can use the Loctite. Okay, so we have everything on pretty loose right now. Okay, so now we can do some adjusting. We can move these around, and let's see. I'm pushing that back all the way, and I think at this point we are going to tighten these up. So I'll tighten these tops first slowly, and then I'll tighten the bottom. Okay, we'll try that. Let's see how that works for us. Okay, so basically, I'm just going to tighten these by hand. All right, as you can see here, and you know, just making sure as we tighten these, do some turns on that side. I'll do some turns on the bottom. Okay, kind of like if you ever play drums and tuning a drum set, you know, you want to kind of tighten them all around. Okay, the Loctite's on there. So again, I'm going to read the instructions again to see if there's a recommended, you know, what foot-pounds of torque to tighten these bolts. But yeah, that's pretty much going to be it. And then once this side's on, I'm going to install the cylinder head guards on the other side of the bike. So, and yeah, looks pretty cool. All right, I'll tighten these down and we'll get on the other side of the bike and do the same. All right, so the left side is completely installed and tightened down. You can see here from the outside how that looks. Again, when you put this on, they say this is supposed to go in front of the crash bar, like so. And you can see how the bracket, if I show you from a top-down point of view, how the brackets are holding on the top and then also on the bottom, okay? So taking a step back, all right, another view there. All right, and so hopefully these are gonna protect the cylinder heads in case the bike tips over. As you know, as I might have mentioned before, I'm going on the Mid-Atlantic back discovery route in 2 weeks. This is just another layer of protection on the bike in case I tip it over. All right, let me install the cylinder head guard on the right side of the bike now. All right, so now we are on the right side of the motorcycle. Now, one thing I think I found to be easier is to kind of put these brackets on a little first, you know, very loosely, but I think on the other side I found out it was easier to do that for one person installation here. So let's see if that works on this side as well. And all I'm gonna do is try to hook this up. Now that these are loose. Yep, see that? So perfect. And you can see they hang just like that. Makes it a lot easier. And then the next thing I'm gonna do is put this bottom bracket on. Put that in there. let's see, hook this underneath. Let's see how this hooks. Okay, let's try that again. Hook it underneath, like so. All right, and then we just tighten it down. And the tricky part is just aligning these. And sometimes you have to do this by feel, right? A lot of times this is just how this works. All right, I think that's lined up. Let me see if I can catch this by hand first. And thread that in. And let's see. If not, I'll just play around with this and then get that on. Okay, so let me get this bottom bracket bolted on, tighten all this down, and we'll come right back. Okay, so we are tightened down. So you can see here, we have that all installed. There's a little gap in here. I might loosen it and push this back a little, but pretty much we have that, we have the Black Dog cylinder head guard on the right side of the bike as well. And everything's tightened down. Again, I might push that back just a little, but we'll see. We'll see how that works. So, all right, with that said, that is the end of this installation. So hope everyone who watches this video found this educational. I hope that, you know, watching this video, if you're in the market of buying any cylinder head protection for your BMW GSA, take a look at Black Dog CycleWorks. They have a pretty decent product. And, you know, I'll give a review on this probably in a few months, but that's about it. Okay, well, yep, take care.